55 foot-pounds at the time. All right, 85 on this one. All right, 95 pounds on this go. Alright, so we're gonna try to get this crankshaft gear off. That's the old one, it's all rusty. Got another one. And we're gonna put the push rods in, get the rocker arms on, and yeah, get the timing set on, all that good stuff. I already torqued the time, the cam retainer plate, so that's good. I don't know if y'all seen it or not. This nut right here is different than this one, because this is a different stud. Because this kit was missing a stud out of it, so stole the stud from another kit. It's just you need to get like I think it's like an 8mm 12 point and torque that. So I gotta keep an eye on the time because my little boy has his first t-ball practice today. I'm not missing that, so let's see what time it is. Alright, got all the push rods, got a similar lube on. Start sliding these puppies in, pushing the lifters down onto the cam. So the rocker arms go to 20 foot-pounds. The way I do it, turn it over. Number 1 right here. 20 on that one. I like to kind of hold the rocker arm kind of in the middle of the valve stem. 20 on that one. Appreciate it, y'all. Watch this video over here, over there, wherever it's gonna be at. Appreciate it.